Transparency and public access to documents is on a low level in Europe. Corona crisis, unfortunately, showed that to us very clearly. It failed with purchase agreements for COVID vaccines. Why cannot we, as MEPs, have access to purchase agreements? First, it was in a committee. We in ENVI committee had a chance to see the agreements, but not allowed to scan, copy, take a photo, or tell anybody about it. This is ridiculous and humiliation of members of European Parliament. Then it was really published, but it was published in a redacted version, leaving everything important covered in black ink. In the end, we have text messages between CEO of Pfizer and President of the Commission, and even European Ombudsman had to take action on this. One could get an impression, following the media, that they are more in a friendly relationship than in a professional one. Instead of being a role model, the Commission is clearly mocking the citizens.